I love biscotti, especially these ones that come from Sardinia, called Amarettos. They are made simply with lemon, almonds, eggs, and sugar. They look really impressive and they are naturally gluten-free. Let me show you how to make them. The recipe couldn't be easier. Same amount of sugar with same amount of ground almond. Add them to a large bowl and mix them together. Then add the zest of half a lemon. Then we're gonna add the whites of 2 medium eggs. Now use a wooden spoon to mix it all together. Keep stirring until the eggs is all been absorbed and you end up with a nice sticky almond dough, almost like marzipan. Now use your hands to bring it all together. If at this point the dough is not holding together and it's too sticky, then add a little bit more of ground almonds. From here, now you can make 10 amarettos. In Sardinia they are quite big, quite large. If you want to make small bites, then you can make about 18, 20 as well. Divide the dough equally and shape them into perfectly round balls. Now add a bit of granulated sugar on a plate and roll each one to coat them beautifully. Place them on a baking tray, making sure you leave some space in between each other. Now garnish each biscuit with an almond, lightly pressing it into the middle of the bowl so that it sticks to the dough. They already look very pretty. Put them in the fridge and rest them for about an hour, then bake them in the oven at 160 degrees on a fan mode for 20 minutes. As soon as they come out of the oven, the aroma of the almonds and the zest of the lemon is incredible and you just want to eat them right away. However, you need to let them rest, cool down for at least 30 minutes. Nice and golden and crispy on the outside and super soft and chewy in the middle. And you can find this recipe along with many other incredible Sardinian recipes in my new cookbook. Enjoy.